Okay guys, I have Honda Crosstour 2010 year. This vehicle was misfiring, and this is how it happens. This misfiring usually occur when you have driven the car on an expressway for some time. Sometimes it will bring, because this is J35Y series, so sometimes it will bring code, misfiring code for cylinder 1. Sometimes it brings number 4. No, that's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me take that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sometimes it throws the code of misfiring number 1, sometimes number 4. Sometimes it brings random, combines 1 and 4. Sometimes combines 1, 2, 3, 4. So, but on idle it doesn't misfire. It just run perfectly on idle most of the time. Yes, like it doesn't misfire on idle. It is only when you are on motion that this code will set in. We've interchanged the coils, we've replaced the plugs, still did not solve the problem. So now what solved the problem is actually the brain box. This is what we call brain box, the PCM, power control module. This is the one that is defective. So this is the one that we are replacing. After replacing this and driving it twice on motion, driving it hard, there was no code. No code was set. So this is fixed, guys. Change whenever you face this kind of problem. Always. After doing the necessary peripheral check-ins like your coil, your injectors, I also swap injectors, tested them, they were all okay until I changed this PCM. So this is the fix. Thank you.